Beautiful city. Yeah, I tortured myself and I went to bed after that run and got up with Sarah's help to get this run started and finish for the day. But taking it easy, 45 minutes on the feet and then work.
Ever been here?
Once or twice. I'm still kind of upset that we never ended up booking restaurant week package for a one night
yeah.
stay. But next time.
Or we could just stay here, not restaurant week.
True. Big day. 80 degrees in Chicago.
Also, the CDC now says if you're vaccinated and you're outdoors and not in a crowd, you don't have to wear a mask. So
yeah, small crowd. It's like they're loose on like their definitions. But
we feel confident with where we are.
We're not by anybody. We're going to a park that's going to be empty because it's like a small park. And we're having a lunch or a picnic that we've waited years to have.
That is the gazebo that Peter proposed to me.
And I had some like cheesy thing about bringing, one day we're going to bring our kids here for picnics.
Right. It was underneath that gazebo was where Peter proposed to me. And before he proposed, he was like, isn't this park great? We'll bring our kids here someday. It was all cheesy.
Yeah, talking about how we can go have a picnic here before or after going to the beach, and we can tell our kids one day that this is where Dad proposed to them.
Yeah, that's how like you framed it.
Yeah.
And
now we're here with our baby.
Almost, I mean, that was in 2013.
So almost 10 years later.
Yeah. And it was probably, how cold was it that night?
It was probably like 8 degrees with the wind chill, which off the lake here at nighttime, the lake, the wind just comes in like this. It was probably below zero.
Cold.
And all I wanted to do was convince Sarah to come to the gazebo. And she's like, it is absolutely frigid.
And I was sick. I had no voice.
How would we go outside? And I said, let's just go to the park. Like, it's so cute. I was like trying to finagle her to come out.
But because we've always done fun and crazy things, I said sure.
And now look at us. Sarah made a delicious, some bowls, right? Falafel bowls for us to have. Why are you hiding?
Oh my goodness.
Oh gosh. So here is, we got our Cubbies blanket we brought out because our red one that we got for picnics is just too big to carry in the bottom of the baby jogger. City Mini. He's got his butterfly. But we got some, I didn't even know we had this going on.
I know, that was a surprise.
We got potato wedges and then our little power bowls here with some hummus, french fries, pickle, avocado, rice. Falafel, and then some Schweppes, ginger ale, some water, and the hummus, and this beautiful park on this beautiful day. Doesn't it feel like Friday?
It does.
Should I just take the rest of the week off?
Why not?
Our drone has shipped. It'll get here, it says, latest Thursday evening. And all of a sudden, like, I'm laying here. James is even a little milk drunk going on right here. But out of the blue, it just gets breezy and like a literal 15-degree colder wind.
It's so cool.
It's like chilly now.
It was like literally 90 degrees. I was like, oh gosh, like James is gonna be hot under here. Hold on, we gotta get situated.
And now the sun's gone behind these buildings and the wind is like coming off of the lake. And it's literally chilly. Like, this is not gonna be a long night out if this is how it stays. We're gonna go get cupcakes maybe. Have the James boy have his first cupcake. What you think? They might have one for Evie girl too. this now frigid afternoon. The breeze won't go away.
It's a gust of wind and it never left.
It blew the 20 degrees off the surface of Chicago.
Out of the beach.
Right, everyone's evacuating from the beach. Here is the gazebo where I proposed to Sarah. Now look at us. Finally, yeah, the lights. But you can still see on top like where the lights were like creepy and stuck there for years. Yeah, they have. They like recently, like there was a couple years where they didn't maintain this park. And I was about to like start a coalition to get a grant to get it back started. Because it got started by this family here, the Rosenbaum Garden. Rosenbaum. But now they've fixed it back up with some plants and cleaned it up and removed the old lights. Just a boy chewing on his straps. I just will never get, like this view will never get, I'll never get sick of this view. Like just walking next to skyscrapers like this. This is one of my favorite buildings, 900 North Michigan. Where are we going?
Burrito.
Yeah, everyone thinks they're cool when they go to Disney Springs and there's a cupcake, what's that called?
Oreo?
No, the machine.
Oh,
ATM.
Yeah,
Everyone thinks they're so cool and they go to Disney World and they go to Disney Springs and you gotta get a cupcake from the cupcake ATM. We've had sprinkles for years and years and years here in Chicago.
From here, it's New York.
Right, and we've had the ATM here for years too.
Yo, they have the vegan red velvet.
Is that what you're gonna
So it's you're gonna get? After much deliberation, we're gonna do one vegan and one non-vegan.
get? Kind of upset. Usually they've got dog ones, and we wanted to get beef one.
Yeah.
But they don't seem to have any available right now.
What the heck? Look at this lively streets of Chicago. I love you, dog. Comment below if you know what that's right. You can hear forks and knives clanging. Peter's gonna get a coffee. We're gonna sit over here and enjoy our cupcakes.
First compliments I got from my tattoo.
Ooh.
But also we've been like bundled up and not going out. So.
Right.
He's like, I gotta tell you, I really like the tattoo. And I was like, I thought he was talking about soup peas. And I was like, oh. And he was like looking at my arm. I was like, you mean that one? He's like, that's the flag. His name is Jamesy Boy, and he's gonna have some cupcake. So here's the vegan red velvet. Here's the non-vegan triple cinnamon.
Woo.
And here's just the beautiful, we're gonna go to all these restaurants eventually.
Yeah, and all these shops.
Yeah. The worker in there that got me the coffee was the nicest man I've ever met. Look at that cool, we want one of those tables. Yeah, we want one of those tables up there at Tavern on Rush. And he says, give me that cupcake.
Give me that cake right now.
This smells like Christmas.
Are you happy to be out? Yes. This is James's favorite toy at the moment. It's a butterfly. It used to be on his little chair, but we just took it off because he loves it so much. Maybe he just loves the tag. These chairs are so comfortable. This is our Chicago tips. Come to state. Hold on.
Looking for a little trouble to get into.
Wow.
Fun fact, the night before we bought the drone, Sarah and I were actually really close to purchasing a refurbished electric scooter by like Bird, which is in a lot of major cities. But like we would have bought our own, but we were like, because like where we live, like I could use it to conveniently run errands, but like I haven't run enough errands in the past month and a half yet to be like, it would be a good use rather than.
Right, like it would just be one person.
Quick. Like
Right.
I could use it to go get the car if the car was parked far away. Or
Yeah.
Run to the. Ooh.
Chills.
But I want that in a second.
Yeah. So we also need to teach Jamesy the art of relaxing because he always wants to be like sitting straight up in the action. So between Bellevue and Cedar on State Street is where this little seating area is. It's so great.
Mariano Plaza.
Let's look at all this fun seating on Division.
All the different bars and everything.
Yeah, we are headed down Dearborn to check something out I saw on Instagram.
Funny though, that Starbucks right there that's where we stayed in the Airbnb.
Oh yeah.
2 Christmases ago.
Yeah.
When I got the parking ticket that started my like 3 months of getting a bunch of tickets and crashes.
Yeah. Where Evie got to be a city chick.
Yeah. This is a fancy secret spot in Chicago.
Yeah.
The rooftop at Restoration Hardware.
It's just like a gallery for their outdoor seating, but you just come up here, there's like no food or anything, you just gotta sit and relax.
Yeah, but there's tons of seating on there.
Tons of seating. And we're here right as the sun is setting.
I think you need to walk around the corner to the other side. Because I can go, there's like a...
Look, there's a party going on. Look at, they got balloons. You can see like into people's like apartments.
It's a little creepy. But there's a couch on the other side that you can go to that I can't make it through with the stroller, so I'll have to go in and back out. But I think you need to rush over there. I'll meet you over there.
So fancy. I bet you these are comfy.
This would have been extra nice when it was toasty out when the sun was out earlier, not when it's a little breezy and chilly. To give you some perspective, that's Halstead going west. This way, the lake is like just a few blocks straight through that building. Wrigleyville and where we live, straight north. Look at that crown up there.
We came to the kids and baby.
Look at that best. You'd be sleeping in that until you were 1. That's like our tent.
Oh yeah.
Oh, so this is what I want for
Wow.
our kids in this apartment, since we're going to be here for a few kids.
Yeah, those are nice. So fancy.
Is that one? That's one. Oh my god, there's lights in the top of that bed. Wait,
Oh my gosh, look at these beanbag chairs.
look at this. This is how you go to the bed. And all the stars. Oh my
So
god,
cool.
the wall's chalk, but it's like clearly permanent chalk.
Yeah. Whoa. Ooh,
Oh.
another little tent.
Well, that's a fancy tent with that bed.
Oh my gosh. Look at these map walls. Cute little trunk. Peter, they have rope behind there so you wouldn't have to do the math. They're just hang it from the top and then,
Oh.
yeah, that's smart. It's just beyond beautiful. This is a rocking chair. I forgot to show the best part.
And just like that, we're back in our neck of the our neck of the woods. Yeah. And James made a bunch of friends on the bus. That was super cute.
Got lots to say.
Yeah. And it's still chilly, so they got that going for us.
We know what our goals are. We know what we hope to accomplish. And believe me, it's the most exciting and challenging assignment we've ever tackled at Walt Disney Productions.